going to be doing the work. You're going to receive the sliding pass. So the person on top sliding into the pass is going to be able to practice the pass, staying close to the person's legs, to their knees. Person on bottom is going to jailbreak. See how you stopped on your foot? You gotta get this slide. Force the scramble and control the chaos. That's the principle behind it.
The hole got small on me at that last minute.
It don't matter. It don't matter how small it is. As long as you're, see, it doesn't matter how small it is because your foot went in and you stopped. You went just like this, stopped it, and then bent it and laid down. It should just be a slide, like you stepped on a roller skater. Side of your foot on the ground. There you go, better. You see that? Now bring your knee up. Bend your knee, boom. See that? Put it right in there, perfect. Now extend it and catch. Boom, see that? Now, boom, there you go. The way that I do it, most people will reach in with this arm, grab your foot and place it, the butterfly in. Because people are in traditional judo guard or side 4/4 hold like this. The way that I do it, it's like this, right? I do a irregular scarf hold, right? Gable grip, underarm, head and arm, like this. And I keep this hip down to the ground. Look at this space. See that little space? The way I do it allows my foot to slide in that little space. Then I start curling my toes up. Now I'm going like this. It just did that. You understand? That's why I do it like this. Because it fits in that small space. And it's not me taking my hand off to get it. Now he adjusts his butt this way. No, I'm like this. He can't move. He's cross on me instead of, you see it? I'm like this. Fits in that small space. Now I start to extend. He pulls me up. I got my butterflies in. Come here. Drop. You understand? That's why. Put your foot on the floor, right on the outside of your knee. Bend your knee. It'll slide it up. And it fit this in that small space right there. Shrimp away, place this down, and bring it up. Just like that. And this goes underneath. Right here, which keeps him at this angle. And then put your foot down, now bend your knee. See how it puts it in there? Now you got a butterfly on this leg. You see it? Now, what you're gonna do is you overhook the other arm, right? And this one catches as he sits back. If he doesn't sit back and you start to extend that leg, you'll sweep him. You understand? So what he's gonna do is just sit back and you catch his tricep, and then it'll pull you up. You see it? Now what you're gonna do is take your left leg, right, and bring your heel towards your butt. Yep, just like that. Now what you're gonna do, yep, right there. Now you're gonna push down with your left leg as you drop to the shoulder and lift your butterfly on this side. Don't lay down. Yep. The key is don't do it in a lay down, just topple over to your left side. Oh, I'm right here like this, right? And I caught him, boom. I got the butterflies in. Take this one back, push off, look it. That's why we're bringing it back, so we can push off. Come in here, bring it in. Up like this, foot comes back. Do not lay down, just drop down the shoulder as I lift, boom, quarter guard. No, if I just go like this, see, it forces that scramble. Now I got time. You see it? And look at this little space. Put your foot in there. See that? There you go. Grab the overhook. See it? Now start to lift this leg. To pull back. Boom, pulled him up. See it? Perfect. Now he goes. He goes. From here, now I can start something. See it? Now I'm here. Just like this. But I got a trap, so now I just go, I try to go. Boom. Now you see it? Now I'm here. I'm good. I'm good. See? I come here. What? Come here. Oh, no, keep. Boom. I'm good. Oh. See where we are? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. See how it works?
Yeah.
Make sense? Take that foot out. Take this foot out, the butterfly, and put it on his knee. Take the butterfly out.
This one?
Yep, put it on his knee, low. Now kick. If you can't lift somebody up because of their weight, because of their size, then take your butterfly out, place it on the bottom of their knee, close to the ground, and just straighten your leg. Okay? Because maybe his
Space.
base is too wide. So if you go right here and extend, that's how you overcome big people.